iOS 16 status bar for Android. So if you want to get the iOS 16 status bar for Android, then first you need to open up your Play Store. Go with the search. Under search, you need to search for status bar icon hider. Once you've searched, now here you will have the applications, right? So you just need to simply go and install this application. And after installing the application, you can simply go and find the system UI tuner. And once you go with that, you can go with the Wi-Fi option and you can hide the icons of the status bar. And you will also have the multiple option gesture. You can go with the battery bar or battery color and you can customize your status bar as you like. Or you can also go with the second application, which is this one, which is same exactly like the iPhone or the iOS. You can also go with the same process, which is system UI tuner, and then you can simply toggle off or toggle on any options that you would like. So this is the only way to get the status bar for Android of iOS 16. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.